So hi again, and this video is about parts of speech. As you know, the simplest form of structure is the basic sentence, right? So a sentence must consist of a verb and a subject, but it usually features more words than this. Let's see an example here. The police came. In this we have an article, subject, noun and a verb. So in this, police are the doers of the action and came is what they did. So each word in a sentence can be further classified according to its purpose and meaning it adds. This is what we refer as parts of speech. We will further discuss parts of speech through this presentation mode. So as I told you, sentence can be further classified according to its purpose. It's just not about a subject, verb and object. By this example, this sentence consists of a number of words, each of which plays a role in the sentence and can be classified as follows. The is definite article, brown is adjective, fox is noun, jumped is verb, over is preposition, the is again definite article, lazy adjective, dog is noun. So there are 8 primary parts of speech that we will discuss in this video. First we will discuss noun. What is noun? Noun name people, animals, places, things, qualities, states. And there are 5 types of noun: common, proper, compound, abstract and collective. So common noun is a type of noun that is used to have general, non-specific people, place, things and so forth. There are some examples of common noun here, and common noun are not capitalized until they appear at the beginning of the sentence. The second one is proper noun. Proper noun is just opposite of common noun. Proper noun is used to name specific individuals. As you can see some example here, Mickey Mouse, Saturn, and they always with a capital letter. What is compound noun? Two nouns join to make new noun. Post office, bus driver, and so forth. Abstract noun is something we experience as an idea and cannot touch. Beauty, intelligence, and etc. Collective noun is when name of a group of individuals as if they were one: family, flock, herd, and so forth. Of noun. The first one is plurals are usually created by adding an s. If the noun ends in ch, sh, x and s, we usually add es. For example, watches, wishes, boxes and buses. And the second one is when a noun that ends in a consonant plus y is replaced with I and then add es. For example, family, families, we replace y with I and then add es. The third one is f is replaced with v and then add es. For example, thief and thieves, we replace f with v and add es. But there are some exceptions: brief and briefs. The plural form of brief is briefs. We do not replace f with v here. And there are many more exceptions for plural form. For example, tooth is a singular but teeth is the plural form. Similarly, man is singular and man is plural. Child, children, food, feet. Now there are countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are those which can be counted, and they can be preceded by articles a and they, and can be used in plural form. For example, a car, an egg, the table, the pig, cars and so forth. Uncountable nouns are those that cannot be counted, and they cannot have a or n in front of them and cannot be used in the plural form. For example, music, advice, information, rights and so forth. Here we are done with the nouns, and in the next video we'll discuss adjective.